GCET म्हळ्यार गोवा कॉमन एंट्रन्स टेस्ट 2022चे रिझल्ट आयल्यात. फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री आणि मॅथ्सांतल्या 5 टॉपरांची नांवांय डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन बोर्डान जाहीर केली.
डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनान इंजिनियरिंग आणि फार्मसीच्या प्रोफेशनल डिग्री कोर्सा खातीर टेस्ट घेतली. 3055 उमेदवारांनी GCETची टेस्ट दिली. तातूंतले फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री आणि मॅथ्सांतले 5 टॉपरांची नांवां बोर्डान जाहीर केल्यांत.
Goa Common Entrance Test was conducted by this directorate for doing admissions to engineering and pharmacy, that is BE and B Pharm programs in various colleges in the state of Goa. Now admissions to other programs like MBBS, BDS, homeopathy, Ayurveda, allied health services, nursing, veterinary sciences, etc. will be done on the basis of NEET UG 2022, which will be conducted by NTA. Now, this year the test was conducted on Monday 11th July and Tuesday 12th July across 16 centers in the state. Results along with answer keys will be uploaded on our website, Directorate of Technical Education website, that is www.dte.goa.gov.in, and also on the notice board of this directorate. In the subject of physics, totally 3055 students registered. 2902 appeared in this examination. The paper was of 75 marks. The highest marks scored in physics was 64 and minimum was 9. And average marks scored was 24.93 this year. In the subject of chemistry, all 3055 registered for this. 2893 appeared. 71 was maximum marks scored out of 75 and 11 was minimum, with average score of 26.75 marks. In the subject of maths, 243 students registered, 2121 appeared, 74 marks scored and 7 was minimum marks scored, with average of 26.79. Now compared to last year, the figures are something like this. Sandeep Bandekar, who scored 64. Aditya Praveen Parsekar, Diya Dattaraj Palang scored 55. Michael Savio Xavier Lewis scored 55. Anushka Anand Kulkarni 52 and Sanjeev Kumar Balkrishnan Naik again 52. These were the toppers, top 5. 3 students who scored 69. Anvesh Sandeep Bandekar and Kartika alias Punam Snehraj Prabhugaonkar, all 3 scored 69. And in the subject of maths, the topper was Ronit Nitin Kunkoliakar, who scored 74. Second one, there are 3 on 17 application forms for admissions to engineering and pharmacy. And after the results of NEET UG, we will receive applications for remaining programs for which admissions are based on NEET.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो.